Do you want to call or text your family with just one tap without searching through a long list? In this video, I'll show you how to set up one-tap calling on Android in a safe, senior-friendly way. Welcome to Simple Tech Help. What we'll do is add a few demo contacts, then create simple shortcuts on your home screen so you can call or message them in one tap. I'll use only demo names and numbers so your personal information stays private. Now I will create two demo contacts called person 1 and person 2. First, open the contacts app. Tap the plus icon to add a new contact. For the name, type person 1. For the phone number, type in 111 111 1111. Then tap Save. At the bottom left, tap the star icon to make it as a favorite. Add another contact called person 2. With the number 222 222 2222. Then tap Save. And tap the star icon to mark them as a favorite. These are just examples. You'll use your real clinic, pharmacy, and family names and numbers on your own phone, but I'll keep it generic for this tutorial. Now when you open the phone app, you'll see your favorite contacts at the top. That's already a quicker way to call them. Next, let's make a one-tap shortcut on your home screen. Go to your home screen, then press and hold an empty area. Tap Widgets. Then find the Contacts widget. Choose the version that shows a single contact. Then drag it to your home screen. You will be asked to pick a contact. Choose person 1. Now you can have a big icon that calls that person directly with one tap. You can repeat this for demo person 2 or anyone else. Some phones also offer a direct call or direct message widget. If yours does, long press the home screen, go to widgets, then look for direct call or direct message. Add it to your home screen, then choose a contact. This gives you an even faster way to call or text that person. For safety, you can label these shortcuts clearly like daughter, son, or doctor. If you want, you can add an emergency contact and label it so anyone can see who to call in an emergency. Always use people you trust and double check the numbers before saving them. Let's recap. We added demo contacts, marked them as favorites, then created one-tap shortcuts on your home screen for quick calling and texting. Try this with 2 or 3 of your most important contacts. It can make your phone feel much simpler and safer to use. Now you've got one tap calling set up, so your most important contacts are always just one tap away. If this helped, please subscribe for more simple tutorials. And in the next video, I'll show you how to block unknown callers and manage notifications.